Ang ganda ng pareho, di ba? Pero, sandali ko nakita
Pakilala po tayo, sir.
Yeah, I'm Donan Sir Nilon and I'm from Abante TNT and DWAR. So my question is dito na naman. What is it about NUSTAR Online that made the partnership feel authentic for you? Isa yung dalawa. What is it about the NUSTAR Online that made the partners feel authentic?
Okay, that's for both of us?
Yes.
Ako, it's really how they really care about what they do. And for me, it all boils down, and I think that's the most important thing, having the care, integrity, responsibility, and respect for the audience. And I think it's also very good that we are given now options, because at the end of the day, it's still entertainment.
Okay.
Diba? It's still entertainment, and it is to be enjoyed with much safety and restraint also, fuming and moderation.
Okay.
Yeah, so for me, authentic kasi when you actually enter the website, as in meron doon important notice for responsible gaming, as in they really make sure na you are 21 years old and above. They remind us not to play in outdoor places and public places. And meron po talaga mga nakalagay doon na 21 and above because it can be addictive, so know when to stop. So they always remind us talaga na, you can have fun, you can enjoy, but in moderation, in control, and just to be mindful. Madaming mindful reminders, so that's why I think this partnership is authentic.
Pero how do you feel nung first na in-offer sa'yo? Anong naramdaman mo?
At first, when they offered me the project, a bit about the project, I already felt na they know what they're doing. Parang they know what the market needs. What they're offering is elevated. It feels premium but also relatable. So I think that's great. It's done with taste, class, again with care and thought.
Andrea,
Nung first po na
aside from of course na-excite ka because first time mo makatrabaho
si Ate Bea. I love na tumatak yun, yes. But of course, masaya po talaga ako to be with Ate Bea. Anyway, when I first got this project, when it was first offered to me, every project naman na I accept, pinag-iisip ako naman talaga lahat yon. And isa po sa mga tumatak sa akin is part of their CSR is they will donate to my choice of charity. So
The both of us, yeah.
the both of us, yes. So
Intentional also.
So isa po yun sa mga tumatak sa akin, and I feel like with us, kaya namin mas ma-promote to into something na responsible po for everyone to enjoy.
Okay, thank you very much. And good luck.
Maraming salamat, sir. That's beautiful. Just like what Krisha mentioned, I want to latch on to what you said, na intentional. Sabi ni Krisha kanina, you two were deliberately selected to be the endorsers. So kumbaga, everything that NUSTAR Online is about is an intentional, curated, crafted decision. Parang pinagtagpi-tagping decision na talagang kinilatis ng maigi. So it's beautiful. Thank you so much for that question. More questions, please. Yeah, for the sir over there. Let's hand him the microphone.